Hello everyone, my name is Kanak and it is going to be a question and answer session with Lata ma'am in English Mania. I am studying in 9th standard and I live in Mathura, and my hobbies are playing basketball, table tennis and doing art and craft, and my aim is to become a judge.
So Kanak, in our last video, I just raised a question. In the last video, we were just talking and we were talking about Western culture and Indian culture. So you just gave some statements and you talked about the traffic rules, right? So we were just talking about some conditions which cannot be we can say implemented, or like which cannot be applied in our country India, because as a country is the most populated country, the sources are very less, right?
Yes.
And we cannot compare India to the foreign countries because their conditions are different. Okay, if I talk about Canada, because Canada is a huge country, but the population is very less as compared to our country India. Whereas in our country India, although area wise India is also very huge and big country, but still we have a very huge population too. Okay, so just because of that population, people are not able to get enough sources. So because one of them I was talking about that vehicle and about that road challans, right?
Yes.
So my question was that suppose any family is there and the number of members are suppose 5 to 6 and they have only one vehicle, that vehicle is only two-wheeler, they are having bike or scooter, and suppose they have to go out, three people have to go out for any work, and the work is really very important and they all three have to go at a certain period of for the same period of time, right? At the same period of time they have to go out. So then they arrange the same vehicle. There are three, although we can say three are not allowed on two vehicle, then the police or that traffic police will, we can say, take fine, right? But some conditions are there and these conditions are very common in our country.
Yes.
Right? So they have to use that particular vehicle at the particular time. Number of people are three. So in this condition, how can they manage and who will be guilty? Should should traffic police charge a fine, or or we can say, or any other better option or solution can be there for this condition? Tell me.
For this condition, first of all, a person, if there is a middle class family, they are not that poor to use e-rickshaw or autos, means they will not charge that much, so that they can't afford them. So they should use e-rickshaw if they don't have four-wheel vehicles.
Four-wheeler.
Yeah, four-wheeler. And still if they still don't afford that, then the police will not be guilty, because
Okay.
police are stopping them for their own, means if they are stopping them because so that they will not get hurt, means if a certain place that the driver have to press brakes and he press brakes suddenly, so the person will fall.
Person may
Fall.
fall down.
And yes, and also on breakers, person can fall if
On the breakers.
Yes, on breakers, someone may fall if a two-wheeler is having more than two pupils,
Okay.
because two-wheeler don't have space.
Please be louder.
Yes, two-wheeler don't have space more than for two pupils, and if they use them, then it may be dangerous for their life. So
Okay.
government only applied this rule while thinking that it should not be safe and it may cause accidents.
Okay.
That's why it's not good to travel for 2 or 3 people in two vehicles. So they should use means if it's very important and they will all have to go, then obviously if it's important, then they will have to use their money to buy for e-rickshaw and autos.
They should use the we can say public vehicles, not
Public
the private vehicles,
Yes,
right?
yes. And if they are like going somewhere, means they want to travel some places, then they can buy means have a car on rent.
Oh, how can they afford? Because India is a country of poor, so called, because the people are not so rich.
Yes.
Mostly you will find poor people, and you will find, we can say, middle class people, and they cannot afford lots of, we can say, vehicles. So that's why they love to go buy single vehicle, and the number of people are more,
Then
because their family conditions are like this. Although government is not guilty, as well as those who are also not guilty,
Yes.
because they cannot afford so many vehicles, they cannot afford the cars, or they cannot pay like so many like they cannot pay the fare of like auto rickshaws, right? So that's why they just love to go on a particular separate vehicle, so that they can save the charge on the cost of fuel.
Yes.
Or can you tell me, can you just tell me any better option or solution? Like how can we make the traffic journey better? Means, yeah.
For making the traffic better means not making the traffic. We can
How can we improve the traffic rules? Tell me.
we can improve traffic rules by using like a different road for the trucks and the big vehicles.
Okay.
And
Heavy vehicles, right?
yes, for heavy vehicles, and a different road for daily uses vehicles like car and bicycle means motorcycle. And also there should be a like a cab who work free for
Which
Which
is
should
free.
be which should be free.
which should be free
Hmm.
for poor and for middle class people who can't afford paying money of private cabs.
Hmm.
Okay.
And also there should be traffic lights on like crossings, so they should stop on the red light and they should go on green light. And also people should use people should follow the traffic rules that government had made for us, like they should wear helmets so that they will not meet with an accident. And they should like wear seat belts in 4 vehicles, and by following these traffic rules that accidents should be less.
Okay.
It can mitigate
Mitigate
accidents.
Okay. And what was the next point that you gave me about Western culture? Can you please repeat once again?
I gave at the age of 18 kids get separated from the
Okay. Yeah. So, do you think that being separated from the parents is better or good at the age of 16 or 15? Is it better there?
Not at age of 16 or 15, but after teenage means at 18, age 18, it's better.
18 comes under teen.
Yeah, under teen means
Yes.
like around 18 or 19 they can get
Okay,
separated.
even at the age of 19, being separated from the parents is better. Do you think so?
Yes,
How? Please justify.
because if someone is not getting separated, take example from the parents at the age still at the age of 25 or 26, then and he is eating parents' money, then for how many time parents will like
Feed the child,
feed
right?
the child. So they should be self-dependent.
Okay.
And if they become self-dependent from the beginning, then it will be easier for them. As at the age of 18 or 19, kids get mature and they can think what is good and what is bad for them, and like they can run their houses. So it's good to get separated at the age of 19 or 18.
But I just want to put one statement from my side because I don't agree. Okay? I just want to say to you that suppose if a girl is there who's just 19, has just crossed, we can say, her teenage, okay, or she's going to cross, And being 19, should she leave or get separated from her parents? Will it be a better option for her? First of all, say yes or no. What do you think about it? As by seeing the Western culture, because you are saying that they are people, so they are the children, they get separated even when they are under teenage, and you are finding this step is good. So do you think like this step is really good for even they are like for the Indians, or they should also follow it?
I don't agree with Indians because
Why?
Because India is not safe.
India is not safe.
Yes, some places, on some places it's
No,
not
even
safe.
in the foreign countries, if I just talk about the foreign countries, even the children who are like just 18, 19, so is it good for them to leave their parents at this young age? Even this age, even we can say in this age, they should need a mature person. They need a mature person who can guide them and who can just lead them and who can just show them a better way so that they can choose a better way, right? Because this age is very crucial and very sensitive age where they also take many wrong steps which you don't know maybe, because if I talk about the foreign countries and foreign cultures, there are so many girls and boys they are having they are leading means they are having so many affairs, okay, and there are so many girls are there who got pregnant, even they are having babies because they just got separated and they just wanted to become self-dependent at this young age, and they didn't know like what is right for them, because what happens in that teenage, a girl and boy, they are very confused because their mind and their heart, they just both the things are very different, right? So they need a person who is absolutely mature or who can guide them, right? But in the foreign countries, they just get separated at very young age, as you said. And yes, I have studied so many cases are there that they take so many wrong steps. Although like they don't blame their parents or they just try to improve them, but still they just take the wrong step. So why to take the wrong step if they follow any person like their parents or any well matured person or any experienced person, so they can get separated after making their career and after being settled in the life, okay, so and after being mature. So I think a person starts being mature when the girl or boy being 25. So after being separated, so after 25 being separated is better according to me, not at like a very young age being 16, 17, right? Because they also start drinking then, right? They also start like doing some wrong works which they should not do at this young age. They also, we can say, go into the affairs. They make so many relations. Sometimes those relations also turn out to be wrong or bad. Sometimes those relations become so toxic, as you talked about the toxic relationship, and then those toxic relationships can turn into sometimes that mental pressure, depression, and sometimes it leads to suicide too, right? Because lots of pressure and burdens are there. So now what do you want to say about it? Like whether they are doing a right step, when they are taking a right step?
According to them, they are taking right step.
No, what do you think? I know they are, because many of them don't do so, because not like every foreigner is not going through this. What do you think? Just ask me and just tell me this. Yes.
According to me, it's better than means like, not in India means for who are still at the age of very old means they are still upon their parents, dependent upon their parents, because if they get separated at the age of 18 or 19, it doesn't mean that they will not be in contact with their parents. They can like their parents can tell them through the phones, or they can meet them time to time. So means it's not mean that they will not have anyone before them to tell them what is wrong and what is right.
Okay.
And also one more thing, that is if someone want to start a career, then they will have to separate from the source that from there they are getting resources. Means if I mean to say like if someone you said that they should get separated at age of 25 or 26.
Actually, the thing you are sharing is right, because you are not talking about on the behalf of Western countries. Actually, what happens in the Western countries, people just get completely separated. Even they also, we can say, rent a home for them. You know, although you are saying these things happen, sometimes in India, like that youngster, they have to get separated from their house for the study. They are going out, but they are in the contact with their parents. They are just, even their parents are guiding them. Their child should do this thing, should not do this thing. But in the foreign countries, what happens? They just get completely separated. Even they just meet their all the expenses by themselves. Buying a home, or we can say just paying the rent of their home, and even buying the grocery, buying even like doing the laundries, everything they just do by themselves. Okay, so by even with these works, they also do some more things. Even if they seek for a partner, they just want to be absolutely separated and absolutely mature and self-dependent at a very young age. So sometimes they also take wrong actions, they also take wrong steps, and which leads bad for their life, which can lead them into bad.
You are right. I agree with you.
Yeah.
But
Yes, please.
both, like it should be beneficial, or like this can also be bad. As you said that it is bad, means no, kids should not get separated at very young age. And it can also be
Not
good.
completely. They should try to, we can say, make their career, but not
Yes.
like that. Completely. Like
Completely
they have just broken all the relations with their parent, not even just talking to them, or like sharing any kind of, we can say, step which they are going to like take in their life.
Yes.
So yeah.
First of all, I didn't know about that. Like they get completely separated.
Yeah, many of them are there. They just get completely separated. Even they just rent a home. Okay, now we will just live into a separate home. Yeah, they just start doing the jobs, finding a job and finding a home.
And then it is not good. But
Not good.
Yes.
Okay.
Means like they, as you said, that they can choose the wrong path for them.
Yeah.
It's not good to get separated at very young age. But after being mature, they can get separated.
Yes.
And you also know that in Western country, there are very less person who are like not having any job. Most of them are settled.
Unemployed are very less.
Yes, unemployment is very less in Western culture. It's also because of this. Means from the childhood they get like a burden of their own. Means they have to earn their money to feed themselves by their own.
Okay.
So it's also help them in being settled. So
Yes.
they don't get unemployment because of that. And if someone don't get separated, then they will have to they will think that we will get separated, and with that their whole life went like this, and
will go like this.
will go like this.
Yes.
Not everyone, but some people.
Yes. Many of them are
Many of
like
them.
this in our country. India.
Yes. And as I give example, like people at age 30 are still upon their parents. They are still eating their parents' money.
Yes.
So, not at very young age, but after being mature, they should get separated from their parents so that they can be like they can earn their money. They can know that we have to eat, we have to earn by ourselves.
So do you now tell me personally, do you think it is a good step to being separated from the parents?
Yes, it
At any age. I'm not talking about at young age or at mature age. Like leaving the parents is a good option or being separated.
according to me it's not good.
Not good.
I
Then on what behalf you consider the step of being separated in the foreign countries is good?
I said that because of the employment.
Because of the employment.
Yes.
So don't you want to be like? Don't you want the employment should be like employment to be there in our country, India?
I want the employment to be in our country because if you ask me, then I will not eat my parents' money and I will find my own job, but I will not leave my parents.
You will not leave your parents.
Yes.
No, suppose even if you are not able to find, because finding a job is not so easy and not so tough. Okay, it is up to a person how he or she is going to take the job seriously or not. So even so many people are there, they are just finding the job but still not able to get the job. So in this condition, they have a compulsion to eat their parents' money or just to eat their bread and butter. So then, what's wrong they are doing?
The wrong they are doing is that if they are not getting anything, like they should start their business.
They will start their business, but the things take time.
Yes.
The things take time. Okay, and Anushka, you are comparing this step to the foreign countries. So actually, what happens in a country? People say that our culture is absolutely different, so it cannot be, it can never be the part of our like culture. That leaving a parents.
Yes.
Because suppose parents want that their children to become self-dependent and they should be successful in their life, and after being successful, when the parents will grow old, so they should spend some happy moments with them and they can lead their life happily with their children. Parents think so, right? So that's why parents want that their children to get successful and become self-dependent and mature. So when they will grow old, they will have a happy life. Alright?
Yes.
But these things cannot be possible in the foreign countries, as you are saying that the children are being separated from their parents at the age of 13, 14, 15 at very young age. Right? So people just don't consider a kind of good step which they are taking. Because in our culture, it is not so easily done. And it will not be done. Like leaving the parents at very young age and just then not talking to them and leading a kind of happy life, right?
First of all, I was saying that people eat their parents' money at the age of 30 means they don't do anything.
Not everybody.
Not everybody.
Yeah.
I know, not everybody,
Mhm.
but not most of them means some people. Some people are there who are eating their money and are still not doing anything. On the basis of studies, means like they are studying, so they will eat the parents' money and their whole life went like studies.
Chalo. Okay, so Karan, it was a nice conversation with you. You just tried your best to answer my question, and I enjoyed the conversation with you. Hope you also enjoyed.
Yes, I also enjoyed it. Thank you.
So, yeah, you're welcome. So that was all in this session. Once again, we will be right back very soon. Okay, till then, you all take care and have a nice day.